NatroVital for Pets Cough Care, a synergistic blend of herbs that helps our pets suffering from breathing difficulties, coughs, excessive mucus, respiratory infections, lung disorders, and so much more. It's quite simple to take, just add a few drops to your pet's food, their treats, or directly into their mouth. The dosage is 1 drop per kilo up to 20 kilos. If your pet is above 20 kilos, add an additional 1 drop for every 2 kilos. It's that simple. NatroVital for Pets, helping you take care of your furry friend.